What's up, really good morning. I'm here with Clay. So it's not really morning anymore, it's like 11ish, but I look like poop. But I'm working on some school stuff because we go back to school tomorrow and I need to like type a paper and just work on stuff because if you guys didn't know, I was like missed like a whole week of school, so missed all my finals, so I have to take all those. So currently typing a history paper talking about if peace can lead to war. It's very interesting. Clay is literally like blocking me, like I cannot type. So since me and my friend are meeting up at like 3 to also work on stuff, I already did. So like for my science fair project, we basically have to do like acknowledgements page, purpose, a hypothesis, a variables page, like a 5-page paper, materials page, procedure page, charts and diagrams, results, conclusion, references, and appendix, which is like your data. So I finished about like half, and I'm actually like pretty proud of myself. I did acknowledgements, purpose, hypothesis, variables. I'm working on my review of lit, and I already did my research. So at Panera, I want to work on my review of lit. So as you can tell, got out of the shower, I brushed my hair, and I put a headband because after I take a shower, I like to put a headband in to get my wet hair on my face. I don't know what time it is, but it's like 1ish, I guess, I don't know. So me and my friend Suyeon, like I said, well, it's almost 2, so I'll be leaving soon to go to Panera to meet up with my friend Suyeon to work on science fair and just some other stuff. I also need to clean my room because I have some Christmas gifts that I really haven't put away. So I need to clean my room because I have a lot of bags from my mom's and my dad's now, so I need to put some clothes away that I brought over and just clean it up. I still have some presents that I need to put away, so I really need to clean it up, so let's do that. So I turned on a movie from Netflix and clean up my trashy room. Carmen keeps barking at the TV because there are dogs. Carmen. So got my computer and backpack, and right now we're gonna head out to Panera. Guys, my sister Amanda just uploaded a New Year's resolution video, so I will link her channel and the video down below. So check it out.
Go check it out. Wait for the cute New Year's intro. Wait for it.
New Year's resolutions for 2018. Wow. So right now we are
Do I have my tripod?
Oh, Vanessa research about pools. Fun.
Soil is like a cake made from lots of different things. Soil consists of crumbling rock or sand, clay, dead plant, and animal remains.
Wow. Got some H2O. So got a little. Oh! What the heck? It's before. Gotta go get it. So I got some broccoli cheddar cheese soup and some watermelon. Oh my god, it's a coffee drinker.
Oh, look how pleasing that is. Oh my god, wow.
Satisfying.
I put in a lot.
So this is some interesting facts about pools. If anybody wants to learn pools, head out this link. It's really great. Wait, I need to make a film. So our science fair project is due in a month, and I need to like get working on it because I only have 1 page. Well, no, wait, I made progress on my review of it. Sian, can peace lead to war?
No, it can't.
That's what I said. We moved to a bigger table because like we need more space. And
You want to see what I was going to post? Currently, have just been staring at this history paper for a long time, debating if I really want to do it or not. So vlogging. Well, I'm vlogging, so I can't really say.
Really like a sticky blonde. Look how gorgeous that is.
Oh, here's all my stuff.
What, baby girl?
drinking. This is like my third cup, and now I feel sick. I think I drank too much water. I'm really so mad because I've been doing so many sources, and all of them have no author. And like, you're not allowed to use a source that doesn't have an author. So, thanks. This is like my progress. Wow, progress. 7 pages. So you gotta have 7 pages, and I like just broke 2 because none of the sources are working out for me. So. But finally on a roll, so I need to type in. So peace. I forgot to take off my security tag. So we're at the mall because Tia forgot. Well, they forgot at the store to take off a security tag on one of her shirts. So good job, store. What store was it?
Pink or Victoria's Secret.
See you, I love your. Shut up. Okay, guys, our mall is super jam packed, so I don't know if you'll be able to see. So jam packed. This is lame.
Whoa. Oh my god. That's kind of like weird.
Yeah, you have to like step. So you want to be a gold angel?
Stop wasting.
Okay guys, well I'm obviously home. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the bell if you want to see, or if you want to get post notifications, like you'll get alerted right when I post a video. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog or video. Good night.